Next-gen performance, Intel Core i7-13700HX processor, mobile Intel HM770 PCH chipset. Internal specifications, dual-channel DDR5 SDRAM, support 16, 2x8 GB of DDR5 system memory, upgradable up to 32 GB of DDR5 system memory. Storage, 1 TB, Gen 4, 16 GB per second. Display, 16.0 display with IPS, in-plane switching, technology, XGA 2560 by 1600, high brightness, 500 nits, Acer Comfy View LED backlit DFD LCD, supporting 165 Hz, gray to gray 3 milliseconds by overdrive, NVIDIA Advanced Optimus capable. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM. Other features, NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, 5th Gen AeroBlade 3D fan, full function Thunderbolt 4,